Hey guys, welcome back to the Route 66 Restoration channel. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing of anything. Really, I haven't bought anything of consequence. It's been a time of where just not a lot of things going on where I need panels or anything like that because I'm making some of my own stuff. But first of all, I want to say welcome and thanks for watching. I hope you're enjoying our times together as I share. I know a lot of times I'm not in the video, I'm just explaining things and my videos are short. And so today we're going to try to do something. I'm going to do an unboxing. And what I did buy, because I'm making panels, some panels, is I bought a benchtop English wheel. And so my main thought was I need to make some door skin panels, the lower door skins, and they are a crowned panel. So I'm hoping that this will do the trick. But I'm going to open this up. I got this from our Home Depot. I ordered it. It was on sale. It was like $95, I think. It's normally like $134, and it was free shipping. So when you don't have to pay shipping, that's a big deal these days. So anyways, let's get going, open her up. I'd like to remind you, if you're liking the content, like, subscribe, and smash that bell for notifications, and we'll get going here. All right. Looks like a three-sided box. It was shipped in this box. It didn't come in a separate box. So looks like you have some dies. Looks like almost from flat. Two different crowns. So there's lower dies. There's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like a total of 7. And then you have an upper die wheel. This is 5 7/8 in diameter. It has bearings in it, and it's pretty nicely machined. Now, I didn't know what it took to assemble this thing, if it required any tools, but I didn't bring my adjustable metric wrenches. And this one's adjustable standard wrench, and this one's for either. So hey, it looks like it comes together for the most part. So here's the frame. It looks like it's got one bolt and a linchpin thing. So we'll set that off to the side. Well, it's 2 bolts actually. I think those are to hold these on. But what I'm not seeing is it looks like this is meant to be mounted in a vise. So I'm not seeing any flanges to mount it to a bench. We'll take this off of here. And so, anyhow, I think it's going to be pretty easy to put together. So, wow, that is the thickest instruction book I've ever gotten with anything that came from China. So we'll set this over here. It looks like this is for the anvil. This is Acme threads, so it has a heavy Acme thread, and it is already pre-threaded and pre-assembled on the lower part. So, all right, and then it looks like you get several different diameter pins with it, and one pin, so you get pins for the dies. Let's start with, since we got that in, we'll put the top wheel in. And then it looks like it has just a hairpin that goes in there, so that's easily removable. There's no washers or anything on it, so you just put the, turn it so you can see it a little better. Just put this linch pin, I guess I call them linch pins, put that in there, and then it looks to be 1/8 inch wall, so I'm expecting that this thing's going to have a bit of spring in it. Not a big deal for me starting out. Never used one before, so you know, I guess I won't know what a rigid one works like. But anyhow, it looks like these take the I thought the camera quit working there, but it didn't. So each one of these takes a dowel pin through the center of the die. So I imagine just, oh, it's just a slip fit too, nothing dramatic. So it does have this little rack that goes on top, but if you're not going to permanently mount it, I don't know really what good the rack really does you. So but we'll get to use our metric wrenches anyways. So we'll put these on here. So there we go. This one goes on here like this. And there. Alright. I'll use the for both wrench. Pretty cool, I think. It's nice to have tools, and tools you can use, but these set in here like this, and so on. So, but I'll continue this at a bit of a later time. I know that these anvils, you know, they set in here like this. Now that could be an issue right there. It does have some play into it, but I'll know better. This is something that's easily fixed. All you have to do is take this piece out, right, and actually weld a nut on the side and weld a nut on the side here, and that would you can actually put 4 of them, and that would give you like ways it'll slide, you know, it'll slide. But that's a simple fix. But we'll see. If it doesn't work well, I'll modify it. If the frame's not stiff enough for me, I do have some 3-inch 3/16 wall tubing here that I actually saved for a purpose like this. So who knows? We'll give her a whirl. I'll do another video on trying to use it and see how we make out with it. And so take it easy, guys. Have a good one. Remember, like and subscribe. We're trying to get to at least 100 subscribers so I can go live, and they changed it. It was 50 and now it's 100. So like and subscribe. Thank you, guys.